Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening to you, and welcome back to Authentic Cryptos. It's a boy right here. So, in this particular video, we'll be talking about this particular project called MetaEarth, which is MEPA's project. So, we'll be talking about those that have joined already and are finding their KYC facial verification difficulty and other related cases, and those that are yet to join. All you have to do to get on board, get started immediately and get yourself verified, then you start pushing in this particular project, right? And the three major ways to earn the MEC tokens, right? So without wasting much further of our ado, we just have to dive straight into our screen and get started right here. All right, so this is a drop project that is already have a high value in the market right now. So as at the time of making this video, one MEC token is trading at $4 in their P2P market right now. So you guys will see that this is a very lucrative asset, and I will urge each and every one of us right here, if you have not joined this project, do well to make use of the link in the description section and comment section of this video. Get started immediately after watching this video and follow me step-by-step guide on all you have to do to start benefiting from this project. All right, so once you follow the link, it will take you to their website where you have to sign up with your email address. They will send you a code, you put it there, the referral code will be there, because without that you're not going to be verified. So after you're done with that session, they will ask you to download their MEPA's app. Then you download it, log in. Once you log in, you will get your interface like this. So this is just the home session of this particular project. Sorry guys. So once you enter this particular place, they will prompt a command telling you to verify your face. That will be the first thing you have to do, because they have to recognize your personality before you can be able to access this whole main dashboard and everything. Okay, so now you will click on that particular facial verification. You just have to place your screen on your face, then they will capture your face, and you will see a message that will prompt that your facial verification is under process. You have to wait for 24 hours before it will be verified. So this is what you have to do. Once you have already done that, you come to this place that they wrote Me ID. Click on Me ID. Then you see that particular card right here. You guys can see my own card is different because I've already verified everything verifiable right here. So you that just joined, or those that are having pending KYC, because a lot of people reached out to me that it's over 24 hours, 48 hours that they joined this particular project and their facial verification is not yet verified, right? And as we all know, without them verifying your face, you cannot be able to perform your daily task or refer anybody or stake or do anything right here. So that particular verification is very, very important. So once you are your Me ID right, all you have to do is just to screenshot your dashboard like this. Okay, just make sure you screenshot your dashboard like this, showing them that you have already applied for the facial verification. So once you have already screenshot that, you come back to your home dashboard right here, click on assets right here, then come to this upper particular button right here. Hope you guys can see this particular button. Okay, so you click on it, then you scroll up a bit, you will see where the wrote create a case. Okay, then you tap on this create a case. You click on create a ticket down here, then you will see they say beware of scam. Firstly, they say please select a ticket type, right? So you click on the button right here, you will choose KYC issue. Okay, because you just verified your KYC and you want them to quickly verify you. If you have other problem, that is for those that has already joined. If you have any other problem, you guys can see that there are a lot of complaints you can lodge right here. But for you that just joined, I want them to quicken your KYC verification, choose this KYC issue. Once you've chosen this KYC issue, you see that KYC issue will be reflecting here. Then you enter the email address you use in joining this project. You just have to write some little text right here. You can just say something like, hey, me past team, I just got my verification right now, but it's under process. Kindly look into it and verify me immediately. This is just a very simple prompt that will let them know that this is what you really want. So you click on this particular upload attachment right here and paste that particular screenshot that you took from your Me ID, showing them that you have already applied for the KYC. So once you just paste your screenshot right here, you click on submit button right here, and within 24 hours they are going to attend to you and verify your identity, right? So for those that has joined this project long ago and their verification is still pending, kindly take action and do this immediately after watching this video, and you will see that within 24 hours your verification will be successful. Okay, so that's the first thing. So once your verification is successful, then you can come in and access your dashboard, and you can be able to start checking in daily, bringing in your family and friends, and so on and so forth right here. Okay, so that is just how to go about it. So after you are done with your facial verification, you can still proceed with advanced verification, which is proper KYC, submitting your documents and all, in which I've already done everything, right? But that one is not compulsory. Once you verify your face, you're good to go. So you can track your records right here. of everything you have been doing in this project. You can say your daily checking and other things you have been doing. Okay, so this is module accounts and stuff like that, and this is transaction history. So that's just that. And this particular the app right here is the P2P session where you can be able to sell the tokens. Click on P2P. I think that will be a video for another day, but if you have some tokens that you want to sell, you can reach out to me and I will assist you guys. So for those that are asking me how to earn on this particular project, there are only 3 major ways to earn in this particular project called MetaPass or MetaEarth, anyone. The first one and the most effective and lucrative one is through invite. Invite your family and friends, invite your colleagues, invite even your enemies, just invite everybody to this particular project. So each particular invite that verifies their face, you stand to get 0.1 MEC token. So once you are able to invite up to 10 people, that equals 1 MEC token, which is up to, or let me just say over $4 right now. So you guys can see that this is a very huge amount of money, right? It's something that you just have to jump on it and start taking it very, very serious. Okay, jump on it and start taking it very, very serious. So that is the first and the major way to earn from this particular project, right? Through inviting people, right? Each invite attracts 0.1 MEC token. Then the second one is through checking in daily. Come to this place that they wrote check-in. You will be checking in every 24 hours. So I've already done today's check-in, and in our previous video concerning this MetaEarth, I showed you guys how to do your check-in. So each check-in for a month, I think 20 something days will just give you 0.1 MEC token, which you can just get within one invite. But that is another way to earn from this project. Then the third way is to stake your MEC tokens. You click on this place that they wrote earn rewards. Click on it. Then you see flexible or team Nigeria zone, flexible team Nigeria zone, stuff like that. So this particular one is where you will choose the amount of staking you want. If you want to go with 25%, or if you want to go with 50%, the choice is yours. So let's just click on flexible 25% right here. Let's see what they have to say. So expected reward annual percentage is 25%, and this is the amount of MEC token stake right here. Then this is the one, my node staking, the ones that I accumulated, the one that, let me just say, they staked for me automatically when I joined this project. Then this one is what I have right here. So if you want to stake your MEC token, this is what you have to do. Just come to this place that I wrote, minimum staking is 0.01. You just put in the amount of MEC you want to stake, right? So the choice is yours, so it's not compulsory to stake. You just put it, then you will see option to, let me just say, I'll be staking 0.7, right? I think I have 0.7. Let's just show something. I think that we show you some. Okay, I don't have enough gas fee to cover this, though I'm not really sticking. I just want to show you guys some step-by-step guide. So this is the first one. So if you click on this second one right here, this is where you will choose how you want it to be, right? So if you are looking for 50%, you will see 50% right here. So this is what you have right here, and this is where you will put the amount of tokens that you want to stake. So let's just say you want to stake 0.7. You just put it, then you come to this place that they wrote choose staking duration. This is where you will choose how long you want your staking to last, right? If it is 30 days, you receive 27% of whatever you stake. 60 days attract 30%, 180 days, and so on and so forth, right? You just have to be very, very careful, and the staking is not compulsory, but this is just another way, and let me just say the third way for you to earn. So any amount you stake right here and you go for 1 month, you'll be getting 27% of whatever you stake at the end of the 1 month. And note, once you stake, you cannot be able to unstake till the staking period elapses, right? So that is just all the latest project in this project, this particular, let me say the latest update in this particular project. So guys, like I always say, if you know you never joined this project, jump on it immediately and start taking it serious. This is a very lucrative token and a very lucrative project that no one should afford to miss. So I believe this particular video already sorted your problem on verification and so on and so forth. So if you still have problem or questions, just don't bother and don't forget to drop it down in the comment section and we'll be attended to. Alright, so that is just that. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and take action immediately after watching this video. Till I come your way next time. Enjoy your weekends and bye for now.